Hello people, welcome again to this channel, and today we will learn about the CapCut application, and I'd like to show you the way how we can remove some object from the video. So you just need to go open your project, and here is my project, and let's try to remove this one lamp over there. So you just need to go tap into the clip, and right after that take a look on this button feature, slide it into the left side. Right after that you just need to find the duplicate tools, go click it. Now make the duplicate tools become an overlay and drag this overlay clips to be the same position with the primary clip. The next thing you need to do is just go tap into the overlay clip again and find mask features on this bottom side again. Slide into the left side. Whenever you got this mask, you just need to go click it. Now you need to find the shape that you want to use. Here I want to use the rectangle, so it will be much more easier. Now we need to adjust in the position of this shape here. Make sure that you isolate the area near with the object that we want to cover. It's really tricky, so make sure that you do it right here. Since the video here is quite small, or the part that we want to isolate here is also small, so it will be take several times to do it. So yeah, let's just do it carefully. Perfect. And right after you got them, you just need to go click this checklist button. Now you got them, and then you just need to zoom into the screen. Okay, so you got those type of color, and then you just need to place it into the lamp, and here is the result. So that's for this tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.